So hello guys, welcome to this channel. I'm your host Harry. So today in this video I will tell you how to use Scilab. In this video I will tell you only how to use xcos tutorial. It's so in order to use xcos, move your cursor to here. You can see in screen xcos. Press xcos. Then these two windows are opened. So from here you can choose blocks and put here like this and this and you can join this by like this and you can join this by L like this and this by this join. Okay, some error. Okay, so so this is how to use it. So I will let me show you one example what I made. So your files Lawrence X attractor open. Okay, so this is what I made using this and with the help of Google. So when you play it like this, simulation is process. Yeah, you can see how beautiful a graph, this graph, and here you this have another one graph. Close it like this one. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.